First of all, you've probably seen these videos already, and you can see how amazing and realistic they look. You can also create videos exactly like these featuring animals. Now, why am I talking about animal videos today? Because animal channels are performing extremely well right now. Let me show you one channel. This is an animal channel with 1.5 million subscribers, and if you look at the views, they're also incredibly high. You can see videos with 25 million views, 22 million views, and 21 million views. The videos look extremely realistic. Here's another channel with around 23,000 subscribers, and it also creates the same type of realistic animal videos that I've shown you. That's why today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create animal videos like these, and potentially get millions of views. Animal channels can go viral and grow very quickly when you create the right type of content, which is why I recommend trying this niche. And if you're wondering whether these channels are monetized or not, let me show you. I'll copy this channel's link and check it. And as you can see, this channel is monetized. You can also see that its estimated monthly income is around $23,000. Now let's check the other channel, Savage Nature. This channel is also monetized, and you can see its estimated monthly income is around $3,700. So, you can also create realistic animal videos like these. I'll explain the complete process, including all the tools you need and exactly how to use them. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's get started and learn how to create trending animal videos. We'll be using Flova.ai for this, and I'll explain the complete process of how to use it throughout this course. I'll show you everything step by step from getting started to creating your videos. One of the most important things you need to know is how many credits Flova.use, my link in the description, to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits when someone registers through your invite link. The tracking link will use this format. Before creating the video, let me first explain what you need to do. I'll give you a prompt, and you just have to copy and paste it. As soon as you paste the prompt, it will give you around 6, 7, or 8 of the best video ideas that you can use to create a 30-second video. We'll be using Seedance 2.5, and I'm telling you, the results are absolutely amazing. You can also take any one topic from the ideas and copy and paste it to create a longer video. But I'll show you exactly how we're going to create it. Here, we have a tiger versus giant snake scene, featuring a huge snake. So, I'll select the Seedance 2.5 model. I'll also explain all of its features and everything you need to know about it. Then I'll click on Generate. The biggest advantage is that it automatically creates everything for you, including the storyboard, animation, scenes, and the overall structure of the video. You don't need to worry about anything because it analyzes everything and handles the process automatically. After that, it will ask whether you want to create a 30-second video and whether you want it in landscape or portrait format. I want to create it in landscape, so I'll select the first option and click Send. It will take a little while, and the video generation process will start. The storyboard, animation, and everything that we previously had to do manually will be handled automatically. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see that the video generation starts. It doesn't take too long, and after a short while, the video will be ready. Now let me show you the result, because it's absolutely amazing. As you can see, the video is already ready, and the quality of the result is incredible. You can create videos exactly like this yourself. All you have to do is copy and paste a single prompt. Animal videos perform extremely well, so this is a great type of content to create. Now that our first video is complete, I'll copy another prompt from here. This is prompt 7, and I'll use it to create another video, and I'll use it to create another video. You can create multiple video variations using different prompts, depending on your available credits. Animal videos can perform really well. I'll copy the prompt and paste it here. After a short while, the video generation process will start, and once again, it will ask me to select the format. I'll choose the 30-second landscape option, and the video will start generating. As you can see, the process has started, and after a little while, the video will be ready. And there we go. The second video is also complete, and you can see that the result is amazing as well. So, this is how easily you can create videos using Seedance 2.5. Now, let me explain the next features and the other benefits of using this tool. Now, what we're going to do is use the reference to video feature. Let me show you how to use it. First, click on Reference to Video, and then upload the video you want to use as a reference. I want to use this video here. After that, I want to replace the tiger with another animal. So I'll write a prompt. Replace the tiger with a monkey instead. This way, I can replace the tiger with a monkey. You can replace it with any animal you want, depending on your preference. That's basically what the reference to video feature allows you to do. You can customize the video however you want. After submitting the prompt, it will take some time to analyze the video. If the replacement doesn't happen correctly, simply paste the prompt again and let it continue analyzing the storyboard and other elements automatically. After a short while, you can see that the monkey has appeared. There you go. The monkey is now in the scene. Use the same prompt again and select Make a Video. Once I click Make a Video, the video generation process will start. After a little while, the video will be ready. And as you can see, the change we wanted, replacing the tiger with a monkey, has been successfully made. This shows how you can use the reference to video feature to customize your videos according to your own preferences. So, what's the next step? Let's move on and see what else we can do with this tool. Another great advantage of this website is that Seedance 2.5 can work with up to 50 references at the same time. That means you can use 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio files together in a single project. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to add different images here. I'm just adding these images to demonstrate how the feature works. You can use whichever images you want. After adding the images, audio, and videos, you can use multiple reference files, including images, videos, and audio, depending on the platform's current limits. When using reference materials, make sure to use your own content or materials that you have the proper rights or licenses to use. I'll simply write a prompt at the end, such as, animate this, or animate all the scenes. You can also create your own prompt according to what you want the AI to do. Once everything is added, I'll click on Generate. It will take all the references, including the 10 audio files, 10 videos, and 10 images, and automatically start creating the scenes. It will analyze all the references and adjust them into a 30-second video based on the instructions we provide. After a short while, you can see that it has analyzed everything and adjusted all the scenes into a 30-second sequence exactly according to what we wanted. So, this is how you can use up to 50 references together and create a complete video from them automatically. It's a really powerful and useful website, and the packages are also not too expensive. If you want to use it for free, it also provides some credits when you first get started. So, you can try it out, enjoy the features, and create some really amazing videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll bring another useful video for you next time. Thanks for watching.